When you think of organisms that are at the bottom of the food chain, what do you think of? Plankton, algae, grass? Well, you'd be right for all of those, but if you thought of the Valerius earthworm as an answer, you would be academically and intellectually superior in every way, shape, and form to your fellow human being.
Level 5 got Riz, Livy done rizzing up baby Gronk.
That is because earthworms are the single best animal in the entire world. Straight up. You may think that they're useless or boring, but I beg to differ. Oh, how I beg to differ. For today's video, I decided to gather the most captivating reasons onto why earthworms are so cool and so epic. Firstly, the character design. The character design of the earthworm is simple yet effective. Upon first glance, they look a bit like snakes. So you think they have like cool fangs or scales or venom or anything of the sort, even though that's not the case. Earthworms possess elements that are just as cool. Instead of fangs, they have bristles on their body that assist with their muscles to help them move in the dirt. Instead of scales, they have wrinkles akin to those of an adorable sphinx cat. Instead of venom, they have slimy mucus that keeps them from drying out. What's even cooler about worms is that they don't even have lungs. They breathe through their skin by diffusion, which is why they need to keep their skin wet via the aforementioned slime. This is why you usually only see them in moist soil at night, when moisture is far less likely to evaporate from the air. Not only this, but they can't even see. However, they do have the ability to detect light through tissues that are sensitive to light located where their head is. This is how they don't go into the sun during the day and consequently die. What I found most fascinating during my extensive research of this entity that we're calling a video was that earthworms have 5 hearts that they use to pump blood through exclusive vessels that spread through their tiny little bodies. Okay, well, technically, if I wanted to get really specific with it, I would say that the most interesting thing about worms is that they're hermaphrodites, which means that they're guaranteed to find love because they don't swing both ways. They are both ways. Not funny. So if you thought that worms were ugly or something, just know that they're 100% more likely to get with someone than you are. Other cool things about this specimen is that they can grow their tails back after they've been cut off, since it has like a bunch of stem cells that activate after injury. More importantly, worms are crucial to the maintenance of the earth because being natural decomposers, they eat the dead material in the soil in exchange with the necessary nutrients that the earth needs to thrive. It's very convenient as regarding the process for both the worms and the planet. In conclusion, most of society severely underestimates the pure awesomeness that is the worm. Most animals can't move without legs, breathe without lungs, see light without seeing, have 5 hearts, or suck up dirt, only to spit it back out as something better than it came as. I think it's about time we gave worms a little credit and respectfully hand them in the title of the best creature in the rig system we call the animal kingdom.